Today we're breaking down what happens if Firefox loses Google support and why that would matter more for Mozilla's business than for your day-to-day browsing. A lot of people assume Firefox would somehow stop working, disappear overnight, or suddenly become unusable, but that is not how it works at all. If you've ever wondered why Google's relationship with Firefox is such a big deal, this video will make it simple. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more browser news, tech explainers, and easy tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells the algorithm that you want more content like this. First, let's clear up the biggest misconception. Google does not own Firefox. Firefox is developed by Mozilla, which is an independent organization with a non-profit mission. The partnership between Mozilla and Google is mainly about search. In many regions, Google is the default search engine in Firefox, and in return, Google pays Mozilla a huge amount of money. That search deal has been one of Mozilla's most important revenue sources for years. So, what would happen if that support ended? The first and most important answer is this: Firefox would still work. You would still be able to open the browser, visit websites, sign into your accounts, use extensions, sync your data, and install updates. Your saved bookmarks, passwords, and browsing features would not magically vanish just because Google ended the deal. For users, the browser itself would continue to function normally. The real impact would be on Mozilla's finances. This is where things get serious. If Google stopped paying Mozilla, Firefox would lose a major source of income. That money helps fund browser engineering, privacy features, security improvements, search deals, infrastructure, and all the behind-the-scenes work that keeps Firefox competitive. Without that support, Mozilla could face pressure to cut costs, slow down new feature development, or look for new ways to make money. That's why this topic matters. A browser is not just software sitting on your computer. It's a large project that needs ongoing investment, developers, security teams, testing, and maintenance. If one of the biggest revenue streams disappeared, Mozilla would have to make some tough decisions. That does not mean Firefox would be gone. It means the pace of development could change. Now, there are alternatives. Mozilla would not be stuck with no options. If Google walked away, Mozilla could negotiate with another search provider. Bing, DuckDuckGo, or another search engine could become the default instead. And remember, users are never locked in. You can manually change your default search engine in Firefox at any time through the settings menu. So even if the partnership changed, you would still control your own browsing experience. Another huge reason Firefox would survive is because it is open source. That means the code is publicly available, and developers from around the world can contribute to improving it. Open source projects are resilient because they are not controlled by a single company, in the same way closed software is. So even if Mozilla lost Google's funding, Firefox would not just vanish. The project would continue, although it might move more slowly if the lost revenue is not replaced. So, should Firefox users be worried? In most cases, not really. The browser itself would still be there. You would still be able to browse the web, use your extensions, and keep using Firefox just like you do now. The bigger question is whether Mozilla could replace the money fast enough to maintain development at the same level. That's the part that would matter most in the long term. If anything, this situation would probably push Mozilla to diversify its revenue and reduce dependence on a single partner. That could mean more search partnerships, more privacy-focused services, or other funding strategies to support the browser. But the key takeaway is simple. Losing Google support would be a financial challenge, not an instant shutdown. So the bottom line is this: Firefox would keep working, users would keep browsing, and the web would not suddenly break. The biggest change would happen behind the scenes at Mozilla, where funding and future development would become the main concern. That's why this partnership is important, even if most users never notice it day to day. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more browser and tech updates, and share this with someone who still thinks Firefox would disappear without Google. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.